Hi student, I am Asya Tiwari, SSC teacher, and today the second lesson of the civics has been started. So today this is the introductory lecture of this lesson. So student, what are the content in this lesson? Let's we see. The first student we will see review of power sharing to understand the concept of federalism. This is the first topic where we will understand or we will mature the concept of federalism, where we will go through the story of Belgium and Sri Lanka. Second, we will study the key features of federalism, and where we will go through the 7 key features, and each features one by one we will study, and we will maintain the concept of the federalism through these 7 key features. Even we will also clear the term which has been given in the key features. And third one, the roots of federalism, where we will go through these roots and we will study here coming together and holding together federation. There are various countries and which has been defined their federalism according to their historical and the cultural background. So student, this is the third topic. Next topic we will see how India, what makes federalism in India. Here we will go through the two topics. One, legislative division of powers of union and state government. And second, we will see the various constituent unit and their powers. Basically, there are 3 type of the units. One, the special state. Second, the union territories, and next one, the relation between union and state government. And this is the next topic where we will see how the federalism practiced in India. So we will go through the three topics one by one: the language policy, linguistic state, and center state relation. Next topic where we will see the concept of decentralization, and where we will see the local self government, and there are two type of the government: the urban government and rural government. Urban government, which is called basically municipality, and this is called Panchayati Raj. These are very important topics. So student, these are the important topics in the lesson federalism, and one by one we will study the each topics to maintain the better understanding with the topics in the lesson. And if any doubt in the lesson, if you face any doubt in the lesson, you just comment and deliver it to me so that I can improve better knowledge for your understanding. So student, they are the beginning of second lesson, and what the topics which are left in the other lesson in the SST means geography, history, and economics. We will continue all the topics in the SST. After civics I will start the economics, and after economics I will start the history, and each topic will be delivered through the more than 10 lectures, because 10 lectures are the basic element, basic will say point to deliver the better understanding of the concept. So student, hope you are understanding well. Thank you for listening me or watching me. Thank you.